Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some guacamole, the most delicious and healthiest guacamole that you've ever had. Let's cut and core 4 small avocados, slice and dice them and place them in a bowl. Now I'll be honest with you, I have a love-hate relationship type thing going on with avocados, but it was not until I really researched and found out how good avocados are for you that I really got into eating them. You can use them to exfoliate your skin, add moisture to your hair. Avocados have a very rich and very creamy, buttery type flavor. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and also a very good healthy fat for you. I use avocados almost every week. I use it a lot with leftover salmon. I'll make a paste with that. I use it also with tuna fish. Instead of mayo, you substitute that mayonnaise with avocado. Very delicious. And again, it's a very good healthy fat for you. Now that we've mashed them and gotten rid of most of the chunks, let's add some seasoned salt and black pepper and give that a very good mix. I'm using a fork to get rid of most of the chunks that were left over from using the potato masher. Let's add some diced peppers. We have a mixture of red, orange, and green peppers. Add some diced onions, red, purple, white, yellow, whatever colors those are. It looks purple and white to me. Some diced green onions. Some diced celery, parsley, and cilantro, and that's going to give it so much flavor. It's already smelling so good. Some diced tomatoes, as little or as much as you'd like. Some olive oil, about a teaspoon or a tablespoon, some lemon juice, and let's fold everything together and give it a good mix so everything's well combined. Now because that mixture is so smooth, because I removed all of the chunkiness from the beginning, let's add some chunks back into the mixture and fold everything in. And last but not least, let's add some pepper flakes just for a little zing. Fold everything in one last time and that's it. The creamiest, tastiest, and most delicious guacamole you've ever made. And of course, that's all based on my opinion of what I think guacamole should look like, what should be in it, and what it should taste like. Healthy, absolute deliciousness. Use the remaining ingredients to top it off, and there you have it, homemade guacamole. And that's the only guacamole that I'll eat. As much as I love Chipotle, I do not eat guacamole from Chipotle or anywhere else. I have to eat guacamole from home. Go ahead and try it, comment below, and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.